Hello students, in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, I am giving the demonstration of HSC board practical exam. The experiment is study of osmosis by using potato osmoscope. For this experiment, the required material is potato, 2 pins, sodium chloride or salt acts as a solute, distilled water acts as a solvent. The first of all, make the hypertonic solution. For this, take a bowl and pour 50 ml water as a solvent and make this solution hypertonic by adding salt in more concentration. So salt and water, mix it and make a solution. It becomes very hypertonic. After that, take a potato and peel off this potato. After peeling of potato, make the bottom flat and at the opposite side, with the help of this scalpel, make a cavity deeper and the bottom is very thin and the wall of potato is also thin. Why? Because these potatoes parenchymatous tissues or these cells is a semi-permeable membrane and which allows the water from high concentration to low concentration. So this potato put into the dish, add the distilled water which acts as a hypotonic solution, half of dish. Then in this cavity add the hypertonic solution and this level of this hypertonic solution which indicated by inserting a pin. So this indicates the level of hypertonic solution. So this setup should be remain uninterrupted for the 2 hours. After 2 hours, the level of solution is increases and which is indicated by inserting the second pin. Second pin. So this, what is the observation? This in between these 2 pin, this shows the increasing the level of solution. This is the observation. Now what is the conclusion? The movement of hypotonic water from dish to toward the hypertonic solution through this semi-permeable membrane till the equilibrium. So movement of solution from high concentration to low concentration till the equilibrium. So what is the result? This potato through this semi-permeable membrane, that is a parenchymatous tissue, this shows the osmoscope. So here result is the potato acts as an osmoscope.